everybody. This is going to be a detox smoothie. Honestly, it's an excellent way to remove all the toxins from your body, especially the heavy metals. I'm going to start with 1 banana, some pineapple, some fresh cilantro, some fresh spinach, frozen wild blueberries, apple juice, blue spirulina, 1 tablespoon of Empowdered. So we're just going to add some water. It's actually very good. Super healthy.
That behind the scenes of Mia messing up. Oh
I
wow! Why is it blue? It looks delish.
Whoops. Blue spirulina.
It's actually very healthy. It's very tasty. It is. Let me ask you a question. How often do you have to drink it to detoxify?
Really? How the hell am I supposed to know? No idea.
Okay, I'm looking it up.